Hello ladies and gentlemen, I'm Joseph Novichkov, Senior Trading Manager with GDM. Firstly, today's outlook, we're gonna start as usual with the Asian markets. They wavered between gains and losses on Wednesday, as of course we've been tracking the yen, which nudged slightly higher against the dollar, and of course oil prices also retreated. The yen, the Nikkei 225 index trimmed initial gains over 1.3% to trade up 0.46%, with many Japanese shares coming under pressure from fresh strength in the yen against the dollar. And as we are at it, the Japanese yen gained fresh strength with against the dollar after weakening in the U.S. session, and the dollar-yen pair traded at 108.78 in late Asian trade, compared of course to the 109 level in early trading and closing at 109.25 on Tuesday. The overnight move in the dollar-yen pair came after Japanese finance minister hinted at a possibility of an intervention in the currency market to tame the rise in yen. Since, of course, the Bank of Japan elected to keep its monetary policy unchanged late last month, shocking the markets in the process, the dollar-yen pair had fallen from above the 111 handle to the 106 before returning to 108 earlier this week. Also tracking European stocks, which are expected to open mixed on Wednesday, as of course traders become cautious, as Asian markets gave up much of their early gains over the night. And of course, the FTSE 100 in London is expected to open about 8 points lower at 61.49. The German DAX up about 20 points at 10.065. The French CAC up about 1 point at 43.39. Of course, the recent dovish comments from the core Federal Reserve members and, of course, weaker than expected job gains in April continue to cap the dollar prices. The euro, as expected, added about 0.1% to 1.1381, through it remained below the 2016 high, which was hit on May 3. Gold in the commodity sector drifted the 2-year low, of course, getting away with just a bit of gains. But of course, investors believe that bullion is unlikely to rise sharply ahead, with the losses in the greenback, which of course are seen limited. Appetite for the gold appeared to have eased after the metal failed to convincingly breach the 1300 resistance level last week and to confirm above it. But it was still up nearly 20% for the year, as of course expectations for near-term increase in U.S. interest rates have faded just a bit. Gold was up about 0.3% at $1269.20 an ounce in late Asian trade, of course after touching as low as $1257.25 on Tuesday. That was its weakest level in April 28. Oil prices dipped on Wednesday as Canadian oil sands production was expected to gradually ramp up following forced closure due to wildfires, as we mentioned a couple of sessions ago, and of course as record crude inventories, especially in the United States, put pressure on the markets. An ongoing fight by the Middle East producers for market share in Asia also weighed on prices, countering production declines and of course disrupting around the world. U.S West Texas Intermediate crude futures were down about 8 cents at 44.57 a barrel. And that was all the important news for today. See you next time. Thank you for watching. Bye-bye.